Video's topic is solubility of completely miscible liquids. So here we are discussing about the solubility of liquid in liquid. Now we all know that liquid are miscible with each other. For example, if we are mixing the alcohol and water, so they are easily mixed with each other. Both are in liquid form. Now if we are mixing the water and oil, so they are not mixed with each other, so we can say they are immiscible with each other. Now here we are discussing both miscible liquids and partially miscible liquids. So starting with miscible liquids, so those liquids which are dissolved in each other. Now by this fractional distillation method, we are separating the two miscible liquid from the solution. In this method only work if the all liquid in the mixture are miscible, for example alcohol and water. Now it is work with the liquid with the different boiling point, but it can be quite close together. Now this is the method in which we are separating out the both mixed water and alcohol. Once we are mixing this alcohol and water, and if we want to separate out this both, so we can achieve that process by this fractional distillation. In this fractional distillation, this assembly is generated. Here the round bottom flask is present. We are applying the heat at the bottom. Now due to that heat, the vapor is generated and thermometer is present over this funnel. So we are measuring the temperature, boiling temperature. Now the vapor is generated due to the temperature, or we can say that vapor now that transfer from this fractional column to the water outlet, from the fractional column to the condenser, and due to condenser, that condenser are connected with the other round bottom flask at the end of the assembly. Now the cold water is circulating from this pink area or pink side. The pipette is present in this condenser, and the jacket having the cold water. So when we are applying the temperature, the vapor is formed and they transfer from condenser. So when the vapor comes in the contact with the condenser, or the vapor is passing from the condenser, due to the cold water, they are converted into the liquid droplet, and that liquid droplet are collected in this round bottom flask. Now the liquid or the solution mixer is poured into the RBF and heated and boiled. Now the vapor passes through the fractional column. This is the fractional column. So vapor pass from the fractional column. Fractional column is packed with the glass bead, which provide the larger surface area. Now the higher boiling liquid condense and separate the mixture from the flask again, and due to that vapor, low boiling liquid pass through the condenser. Now alcohol is cooled and collected into the round bottom flask, and each liquid increase the boiling point on the top of the column. So here via this distillation process we get the alcohol from that alcohol water mixture solution. Now the solubility of partially miscible liquid. So here two system are the example of partially miscible liquid. Partially it means what? They are not fully miscible with each other like water and alcohol. For example, first system is phenol water system. So in this, phenol and water are not miscible with each other. They are partially miscible with each other. Partially it means little amount of phenol dissolve into the water and little amount of water dissolve into the phenol. Now larger number of liquid dissolve to a limited extent. If we are dissolving larger amount of phenol into the water, we get a limited trace amount of phenol into the water and water into the phenol. So they are known as a partially miscible liquid. When equal volume of phenol and water are agitated, so they are forming the two layer, and one having the saturated solution of phenol in water and another phase having the saturated solution of phenol in water and water in phenol. Now two solution are called as a conjugated solution. So when we are taking the equal part of phenol and water in one chamber, now after the sedimentation by giving the agitation, they get a saturated solution. So phenol layer having some amount of water and water having some amount of phenol, and this both solution are known as conjugate solution. Now here, when the two liquid partially miscible liquid are mixed shake together, they composed the two layer. First one is layer of solution of water in phenol. So first layer is phenol layer which contains some amount of water, and second layer is a water layer which contains some amount of phenol. When we are applying the temperature to this solution, they get increase its concentration in each other's layer. So when they are having the equal concentration of both liquid at that temperature, we say the temperature is known as critical solution. It means a fixed temperature, the composition of each solution is fixed and both solution are in equal period, so that temperature is known as the critical solution temperature, CST. It is the higher, or we can say it is the upper critical solution temperature, TUC. Now this system is phenol water system. Next system is triethylamine water system. So here water and triethylamine is partially miscible above the TLC. It is the critical lower solution temperature. So here we require the upper temperature, CST, to equalize the both proportion of phenol and water. Here we are getting the miscibility at a lower critical solution temperature. So solubility decrease with increase in the temperature in this system. The two conjugated solution mixed completely at or below TLC. So here this is the TLC, the lower temperature. The one phase composition is the second phase composition.